Backwoods country cooking is very in these days, and it proves that the most basic down-home recipes, the ones many of us grew up on, are still what we're looking for because they're easy to throw together, they're budget-friendly, and the leftovers are just as good as the original. Well, let's take a look at what we can do with a few basics. We cook some pasta according to the package directions, and we drain it. Now, we're using elbows, but egg noodles or spirals work just as well. Now, while the pasta drains, we brown some ground beef with a few seasonings, a chopped onion, and a green pepper. Now, once that's cooked, we toss that mixture into the same pot along with a couple cans of tomato soup, a can of creamed corn, and a generous amount of cheese. Now we add the cooked pasta, give it a good mix, and into a casserole dish it goes. And that's it. And the greatest thing about this is that you can freeze it before baking it, so you have a simple make-ahead dish that's ready whenever you are. Either way, you bake it off for 45 minutes or so, and you're done. And when you serve this cheesy, beefy baked casserole, get ready for easy country cooking that'll have everyone running to the table. Yep, the recipe for Hillbilly Pasta Bake is online now, so you can whip up an all-in-one casserole in a laid-back style. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where every day we're looking for an easier way to say, ooh, it's so good.